Ready to see nature from a fresh perspective? These hidden spots are where adventure meets art. Each step you take uncovers a scene worth framing, a paradise for photographers and nature lovers alike. Unlike famous landmarks, these places offer an unfiltered connection to nature, raw, peaceful, and pure. Imagine standing at Mývatn Lake in Iceland. The otherworldly charm with steaming craters and vivid green moss creates stunning contrasts. This is a dreamscape for photographers. It feels like stepping onto another planet. Next, we have Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this park boasts unique biodiversity. Photographers won't just take pictures here, they'll bring home stories of a mystical, almost surreal world. Then there's Torres del Paine National Park in Chile. Its unpredictable weather provides dynamic lighting that makes every photograph unique. Every snapshot here is a postcard in the making, and it's impossible not to fall in love with Patagonia's unbridled beauty. For those who seek a sense of remoteness, the Faroe Islands in Denmark are pure poetic isolation. Traditional Faroese grass roof houses add charm to landscape photos. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and let your creativity flow. Lastly, Jasper National Park in Canada. Known for its iconic wildlife like elk and bears often seen during hikes. This is the ultimate spot to pair action shots with still landscapes, perfect for adventurous photographers. These locations offer photographers a chance to capture raw nature, far from the distractions of crowded spots. The unpredictability of light, weather, and wildlife make each visit and photo completely unique. Every location brings a unique story. These aren't just pictures, they're memories, moments frozen in time. These hidden gems allow you to rediscover the art of patience and observation, two crucial traits for photographers. Did any of these hidden photography spots capture your imagination? Whether you're an aspiring photographer or just love exploring nature, these places promise unmatched inspiration. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me on this journey of uncovering beauty. Have you visited a spot that took your breath away? Share it below. Travel, capture, inspire. Every photo is a story. Make yours unforgettable.